Oh, hi! Did you know that for as low as 10 million pesos, you can own a spacious 3-bedroom unit here in Las Piñas City? By the way, let me take you to a 3-bedroom model unit tour. So come on! Property investment ba ang hanap mo? For personal use or even retirement home? Dreaming of an affordable yet quality and spacious condo here in the Philippines? Ikaw ba ay OFW na naghahanap ng investment o tahanan na fit sa lifestyle mo? So by the way, 3-bedroom units are located in the corners of this building, Cadence Building. So by the way, ang standard size ng 3-bedroom unit dito is 81.50 square meters. So imagine ganun siya ka-spacious. So ngayon, pupunta naman tayo sa loob. And by the way, before ko kayo i-tour, I just want to inform you that this is a fully furnished 3-bedroom model unit. So basically, upon delivery, hindi po ganito yung makikita nyo. So ito po is na interior design na. So ngayon, punta po tayo sa kitchen area. So this is the spacious kitchen area. So imagine this is your kitchen area. Ganito siya ka-spacious with soft-close system cabinets. Ayan. Ayan, soft-close system siya. Ayan. So, and granite finished kitchen countertop. By the way, there's a provision for range hood. And again, alisin niyo po lahat ng mga furnitures like refrigerator. Yan. Pero ito po yung mga inclusion. So ngayon, let's go to the dining area. So this is the dining area. Ideally, dito siya nilalagay. So dito yung dito kayo kakain ng family niyo or your friends. And right now, let's go to the living area. So one thing I like about this living area na 3-bedroom is katabi siya ng balcony. Just like what I have mentioned a while ago, may dalawang balcony dito. Since corner unit ang mga 3-bedroom. So imagine, dito yung living area nyo, then meron kayong balcony dito. Ayan. So, you can relax here. Yung iba, ginagawang nilalagyan ng mga gym equipments to. It's up to you. Ayan. Then ideally, dito nilalagay yung TV or television. So again, ito po mga ano na po to. Interior design na po ito mga to. So, right now, let's proceed to the spacious toilet and bath by DMCI. Particularly dito sa Nora Garden Residences. So, this is toilet and bath. So, inclusions po dito, itong mga lavatories kasama na siya. And you can remove everything except the lavatory. And by the way, the tiles kasama na po siya, included na po siya. And I just want to emphasize this, just like other DMCI unit, actually sa mga 2-bedroom may ganito rin, ito yung tinatawag na laundry area. So as you can see, merong washing machine dito, yung iba ginagawa storage area to, but ideally, dito yung laundry area. Ayan. So ang ganda ng pagkaka-interior dito, as you can see, may mga art pa dito. So kayo, baka mas creative pa yung mga maiisip nyo. So this is the bedroom 3. One of the smaller bedroom here. So ideally, kung may anak po kayo, dito po sila. Or pwede rin siyang gawing office. Ayan. So enough for, I think, this smaller bedroom. So hindi siguro kasya dito yung queen size bed na kama. By the way, ito pong cabinets to, hindi po ito kasama sa inclusion. So, ano lang, para magkaroon kayo ng idea kung ano magandang gawin dito, lagyan nyo na cabinet. And let's proceed to the another bedroom. This is the bedroom 2. So, smaller din siya compared sa master's bedroom. So, ito, ginawa nilang office. So, ayun, sabi ko, pwede rin gawing office yung kabila or ito. Or pwede rin gawing room to ng kids. So, ayan. Ito, may window na makita dito. Hindi ko na siya masyadong, hindi ko na po mabubuksan. Ayan. By the way, for this bedroom, wala tong access sa balcony. Meron lang tong window. Actually, for safety rin ng mga kids, di ba? Kasi since ideally, dito nilalagay yung bedroom ng mga kids. And right now, let's proceed to the master's bedroom. So this master's bedroom is the most spacious bedroom here among the three. So, as you can see, meron pa ditong another toilet and bath. So, ayan. So, hindi nyo na kailangan lumabas. So, again, inclusion are the lavatories. Ayan. So, by the way, dito sa unit na to, dalagan din ng cabinet. But again, di po kasama sa inclusions. So, ayan po. So, let's go to the balcony one. Actually, this is the more spacious balconies compared to the balcony sa may living area. So, I think this is around 8 square meters. So, ayan. So, imagine on the higher floor, di ba? Meron kayong view sa balcony nyo. Especially dito sa Las Piñas, wala namang obstruction dito since wala dito masyadong mga high-rise building. Yan. So what do you think? For more details about this project or this specific 3-bedroom unit, you can send a message to me on my details down below. So God bless you all. Ingat po kayo palagi.